Now, of all the diseases of your cardiovascular system, it will boil down into 4 causes. Okay? So I want you to take note of the term pathology. This is actually the opposite of the term physiology. When you say physiology, we're talking of normality. Ito yung normal na nakikita natin. Ito yung discuss natin ng first year. Ito yung nangyayari. Normally. But if there will be alterations of that normality, we call that a pathology. Okay? Or the abnormality. There can be 3 ways on which we can address your hypertension. Okay? So, we can lower down the cardiac output, we can reduce the heart rate, and of course, decrease the systemic vascular resistance. Sa ibang pasyente, kahit isa lang na-target, okay na. May ibang kailangan dalawa. Kaya minsan may mga pasyente kahit na maintenance natin sa hypertension. Iba-iba yung kailangan na-address. But only with one goal, kahit iba-iba, only with one goal, and this is to lower down the blood pressure. Alright. Your cholesterol is not really bad. Your cholesterol is needed to produce bile in your gallbladder so you can eat your lechon, your chicharron. Okay? And then of course, you also need your cholesterol for the formation of your steroid hormones such as your estrogen, testosterone, cortisol, aldosterone, and also your cholesterol is needed for the absorption of vitamin D in the body. Now, we have clotting factors that are interrelated or they are interwoven with each other. Okay? Miss one clotting factor, you get a disease called hemophilia. Okay? Hemophilia. And hemophilia can only be seen in the royal families in Europe. Okay? Bakit? Kasi sila nag-aasawahan, mga pinsan. And the disease, instead of genetic, dapat talaga the goal, if you want to have babies, kumuha ka ng malalim talaga sa lahi mo. Okay? Para ma-dissolve yung pangit